Okay, so this is my video showing you how to make a really quick and easy bio video for the website. So first you want to create a new project. Here's all my projects. To create a new one, I click on the little plus sign over here. It'll give me some options, and I'll just type in website bio. The rest of this stuff you can leave. You don't need anything over here. Just leave it as no theme, and then just click create. And down here in the bottom now you can see I have a blank area where I can start editing some stuff. Your iMovie will look a little bit different than mine. I have a little bit newer version than you do, but it'll be basically the same for what we're going to do for today. So up here I have my clips that I recorded a while ago of me answering the different questions and things like that that Jim gave us. And I'll put a list of those up with this video in the info. So here's just me talking and answering the question. So for each one of these, we're going to put it in our project in the bottom, and then add a title to it, and just go pretty much straightforward from there. So I'm going to play through this to see what this is.
I always felt called to be in some sort of ministry.
Alright, so there's that video. Let me look at my video script here so I can match up my questions. I typed out the answers to my questions so I could read them. It's up to you guys if you want to do that. Maybe you just want to kind of free-form riff. That's your call. But I chose to type mine out just so I would be a little bit better at it. Alright, so here's my bio and things like that. Alright, here's that first clip. There's the question that I was choosing. So I'll throw this clip in the bottom down here. There we go. And then I want to put the title for that question before that. So the titles are in the T over here. And you can pick any of these you want. I'll pick this one. This one's pretty nice, gives a little motion to it. And I'll just throw that at the beginning. There we go. Over any kind of color just because it's very easy. Click on black over here. There we go. And then I'm going to type in the name of my question. So I'll rephrase this one that Jim gave us. And I'll put it in 2 lines for this. So, why did I become a teacher? Too big. We got to make it smaller. You can do that in the fonts button up here, and you can pick whichever size you want, and you can see so that you can still fit all of your words on here but not lose any. So this one makes me lose some, so we're going to go with this. And you can choose your font if you want to, or your color, that kind of thing. I'm going to leave mine the same. So, why did I become a teacher? And if we go back and play it, there's the question. And here's my answer to it.
I always felt called to be in some sort of ministry.
There we go. Alright, next clip. Throw it in the bottom down here. See what that clip is.
Our mission at LHS of preparing Christian leaders one student at a time means that our goal for our students is more.
Okay, so right here. Okay, so this is what I answered. So what does it mean to me to prepare Christian leaders one student at a time? Alright, so we'll grab a title for that. Throw that before the question. I'll pick black again. What does it mean for me to prepare Christian leaders one student at a time? Alright, I got to make my words smaller again so they all fit. That one's kind of a long one. Ooh, that's not going to work. I got to put more on the top. Alright, jump out of here, come back into here. For me. Might be good to shorten this down a little bit. I'll try this and see how we do. Now they're different sizes. try that again. If something doesn't work out, just delete it, throw it in there again. Sometimes you're going to run into little problems with that. No big deal. What does it mean? Since I restate the motto in the answer to the question, I can just put, what does the motto of LHS mean for me? Alright, so here's my title. Got to make it smaller so it all fits on there. What does the motto of LHS mean for... Oh, I didn't finish typing it. Me. Alright, can I make that smaller? Alright, so that's as big as I can get it. So we'll go with that. Alright, so here's the question. And then the answer.
Our mission at LHS of preparing Christian leaders one student at a time means that our goal for our students is more than a...
That's plenty. Okay, so you just keep repeating this process. You answer the question, which you recorded earlier. You throw that into the project, and then you create a little title with the question, and then have the answer to it after that. That's pretty much it. If you can do that, you're in really good shape, and we can put that up. If you have any other questions about other things, I'd be happy to answer those for you. But this at least will give you kind of a brief thing to go through. Feel free to email me any questions or watch this as many times as you need to kind of figure out what's going on. Hopefully this is helpful for you. Thanks a lot.